Alright guys, so I know you guys can see some tail lights right there. It's for the 240. That's going to be installing them today. And I know you guys can see some calibers as well, but that's for the Q50. Those are, well, Akibono. I just got the front ones for now. And the color he's going to go for on the harness bar, or however you call it, he's going to go with the pearl white. I don't know if the camera could pick up the color. God damn, it's blurry. Can't focus. But yeah, I'll show you guys when we pretty much he's just gonna sand it down a little bit, not as much. He's gonna throw the paint on it. And what is this? Oh, he's gonna throw primer as well.
Just a little bit.
So yeah, so right now he's gonna pretty much take this off, sand it down whatever he could, a little bit, not that much, like I said, and start painting the calipers as well. So yeah. So pretty much this video is going to be only about pretty much like painting and installing the headlights on the 240. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's about to start sanding down.
I'm just using a 600. That's the only thing I got right now. This just for the paint could grab at least something.
So while he's doing that, and that's going to be a different video on the calipers. I'm going to show you the color that I went with. So if you guys want to see the color I went with, stay tuned on the next video. On this video, I'm just gonna be showing you the color of this, which I pretty much did, and installing the tail lights. That's about it. You know what guys, I'm just gonna show you on this video what color I'm gonna go with, the calipers. Right here, it's like a nice baby blue. I don't know if you guys can see. This is the first coat that I already put in, which is right here. Where's the cap? It's pretty much right here, this color. If you guys want to go with this color when it's finished, this is the one that I went with. Yes, I know it's duplicate color, it's on high heat, but what I heard, if you use a high heat primer, you should be good. So I'm gonna give it a try and see if it works. So in the future, I'll guys update it to see how the paint is holding. So yeah, right now I'm gonna wait 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then throw out the next coat on it. So yeah. So here it comes. What are you gonna do with your headlights, Ivan?
Probably fix it up. Sorry to the
So yeah, he's gonna polish them up. Cause he took them, where you took them to paint?
Some guy here found an off-road to paint them.
These guys can see.
They're not perfect, but better than before.
Yeah, I wish I took a picture before and after. But the guy pretty much did like the line, pretty much paint the black. I don't know if you guys could see a little bit from there. So yeah, I need them now. Oh, what that?
I'm done already.
Should look like
This one. That Home Depot special, right there.
Home Depot.
Yeah.
Alright, and then pretty much hang it. And then this is my ghetto setup right now. As you guys can see. So where are you gonna hang yours at? You're gonna fuck up mine.
Alright, I'll finish when you finish.
Nice, man. I think you put them right there. You should be good. Hopefully it don't, like the overspray gets to me. Hopefully not. Alright guys, so he pretty much finished already. I just didn't want to bore you guys with all that painting. Now he's gonna wait like a little bit more. For now, we're gonna go install some tail lights for his fat ass right there. Look, he's waiting right there, little fat motherfucker. Look at him. We're gonna go install them. And yes, I already finished painting as well my calipers. So this color. I'm just waiting for the sticker. I'm just gonna slap it on and put the clear coat, and pretty much I'm done. Alright guys, so you guys can see how they look, the before and after.
What kind of lights are these, are you? Can't hear you.
Kooky or Koki, whatever they call it. It's from 97 to 98.
It's from a 97 or through a 98, he said. God damn. That's a mess right here. What are you gonna do right now? Take off what?
I don't know, I should start with the middle one or this one. Yeah, the middle one.
What do you guys think? You guys like how it is right now? Well, these tail lights right here. Comment down below. What do you guys think?
These are the Zenki and these are the Kooky or Koki, whatever you call them.
Alright there. So right now I get back to you guys. We just gonna pretty much.
You put it in there.
It's pretty easy to take off or what?
Yes.
So I get back to you guys once he installs one or takes them off, all of them.
Already in business. Alright guys, if you guys are really curious if you guys want to do this to your 240, take the little cover off. Obviously unplug that right there, and then you have that nut right there, that one, and then that one, and then this one. It's right there. That should come off. Alright. That's the original one. That's the Koki, whatever. And then I think it's gonna change to the bulbs.
Yeah, because they're not that good. First side on?
Alright guys, this is the driver's side. As you can see, the Koki one is a brand new one. Well, new to us. And then, oh, that's the OEM one. What's it called, this one? The Zenki. We still gotta change this one and this one. But this is the original one so far.
John, please,
And
thank
then,
you.
That's the original. So you guys can kind of tell the difference, but once they're on, you'll see the difference.
Alright guys, so pretty much this is how it looks.
It's dirty, I need to wipe it down.
Yeah, but either way, that's how it looks. What do you guys think? He should put the old ones back or just keep these right here? Let us know in the comments. But yeah, after this, we're gonna go put his harness bar on my brother's car in the IS300. Alright guys, I know if you guys do remember on the other video, we told you that we're gonna put like another clear coat on top of it, and look at the difference. It looks way better. Right now it's like a little bit dusty though.
Don't mind LA right now. It's been having some abnormal weather. A lot of cold, heat, and wind. I washed the car yesterday, it's fucking dusty.
But let me show you guys how the harness bar came out on this IS300. So let me show you guys. You can see.
For a while.
In camera you can really catch the color, but I see it right here.
Oh, show them the brakes.
Oh, on the brakes. This is how it came out as well. You guys can see.
Front one.
And there's the front ones.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if you guys want to check out the last video that we post. You're gonna see what he was doing with the calipers. So pretty much that's how it turned out. All right, guys. So I'm sure the calipers how they turn out to look. You guys can see right here. It's like a nice baby blue. But yeah, if you guys want to stick around, I'm gonna be installing them next video. And yeah, I only got the front ones for now. And my bad if this really was almost like everywhere. And yeah, I just see you guys in the next one.